My testimonial is more just to the average homeowner who is looking at windows as a big expense and recognizing that they want to make sure and get the best value that they can for the money. One thing I really appreciated and noticed immediately was the benefit that I got from my new windows on my air conditioning bill. So we have a west-facing house, and in the summer that sun is just beating on the front of my house. We replaced those windows first, and even though the whole house wasn't done, I had already noticed an increase in my savings on my electric bill. So my SRP bill went down, and I was super happy about that. That helps offset some of the cost of the windows. Now that we've done the east side of the house as well to complete the full house, I noticed my house is quieter, and I definitely feel like it is more beautiful because I have gorgeous windows. To include the fact that some of them that I had blinds on, I just threw the blinds away because the windows are so gorgeous now. I don't need to have curtains or blinds anymore. I have my beautiful windows to look at, and of course the big savings that I received on my SRP bill. So I would encourage you to look to RMK. They do a great job start to finish. They're fair. They give you a great product. They're honest. They're on time. They deliver what they say. I will say that I think the thing that impressed me the most was that I felt important to them from start to finish. And even though my windows were just a little average house, I felt like they cared about my windows, and they followed up with me. I really appreciated that. So. Another part to this was also that I liked that you were a local company, that the windows were American components. That was a huge thing too. I know some of the big companies, they get their components, and they assemble someplace else, so that was important. So I thought you guys were great.